Ciao ragazzi, Chef Enzo here in my kitchen. Today we're gonna do a famous recipe, well known all around the world, which is spaghetti carbonara. We will do a little bit different. I'm gonna call it unstructured carbonara. Okay, we're gonna get 110 grams of spaghetti, salty boiling water. You're gonna get a couple of eggs. I'm gonna split the egg whites with the yolk. We're gonna get our pancetta. We're gonna clean it. I'm gonna cut them, as in Italian we say, listarelle. Usually in Italy, we use la guanciale, la gota, sometimes also a pancetta. I'm gonna get a pan and I'm gonna put my pancetta here on the flame. And I'm gonna start cooking it, okay, searing it very slow. And then you will see the fat is gonna come out and the fat is gonna cook the pancetta inside of the pan. So you're gonna get really, really crispy. Meantime, I'm gonna whip the eggs, okay? What I wanna do, I wanna do a zabaglione. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper. Now I will go on top of my water, bain-marie, and I'm gonna whip my eggs. This is gonna be the sauce. Nice and crunchy. Beautiful, beautiful. You can leave them, close to your stove so they keep warm. And now we're gonna transfer the spaghetti directly from the water. The spaghetti, they're gonna get the flavor of the fat of the pork. We're gonna get a nice bowl. We're gonna get your spaghetti and finish up inside of the yolk. So you're gonna clear up very nice. Gotta get a little bit of parmesan. Okay, and then you put into the plate. Okay, now you get your crackling. Wow, so nice and crunchy. Huh? So here you go, guys. Chef Enzo, unstructured spaghetti carbonara. Here you go. Buon appetito.